everyone, good morning to all of you. My name is Arpandeep Kaur. I read in Guru Tegh Bahadur International School in 9th Tulip class. Today my topic is about coronavirus and effect of coronavirus in future in these days of lockdown. Firstly, I tell you about coronavirus. Coronavirus is a disease which directly affect our immune system, and it is very dangerous disease. This disease causes person to person contact. This disease cannot have any vaccine. Only this disease have solution that stay home, stay safe, and obey the rules of government. The government to create a decision that is of lockdown. This is a good decision of the government. So the harsh lockdown will decrease the rate of coronavirus. I believe to say that if we obey the lockdown, the India will be back to that stage. So obey the lockdown. But some people cannot obey the lockdown. They go outside from the home without any reason, and their life will be in danger. Only their life will be not in danger. Their family, relatives, and friends' life will also be in danger, because this disease causes person to person contact. We already know. So if the one person cause disease, then another person, and this virus will be spread. So don't go outside, because if we cannot go outside, the disease will cannot be spread. Or if we go outside, the disease will be spread. So please don't go outside, stay home and obey the rules of government. Some people say that the lockdown have a great effect on our business. The lockdown have a great effect on our business, but they don't know. If we go outside, then their life will be in danger. They have a great we already know that the great effect on the business, income, industries, etc. But if we cannot go outside, our life will be not in danger, and we will be safe, and our life will be safe. So please don't go outside. We already know, repeatedly say that don't go outside, be safe, stay home. So if you have to go outside with the personal work, so wear mask, wear gloves, and sanitize your body, and sanitize your hands, body, and sanitize your home also. So if you back to home, bath, and then clean your cloth, wash your cloth in Dettol. Next, I will tell you symptoms of coronavirus. The symptoms of coronavirus is that dry cough, high fever, the person feel tired, shyness,